Hi guys, it's Smitha. Welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be all about blush placements according to your face shape. To demonstrate this, I'm going to be using the CRT London's Marbled Blush. For reference, I'm going to link everything in the description box below. I'm also going to give you reasons why you need to apply blush a certain way. But of course, we all know that makeup has absolutely no rules. So if you like the way you apply your blush, then you should stick with it. But if you like to experiment a little bit and change it up a little bit, stay tuned. Let's start with a simple experiment. I'm using the Wet n Wild powder brush as my blush brush. This is what I use. On my right side, I'm going to be applying the blush way up high on my cheekbones. And on my left side, I'm going to be applying it on the apple of my cheekbone. As you can see on my left side, my apples look more prominent, and on my right side, my highest point of the cheekbones look prominent. So we'll be using the logic of colors and playing around with it to balance our face shape. First, let's figure out what our face shape is. If you have an oval face, you tend to have prominent cheekbones and a forehead that's slightly wider than your chin. All you have to do is sweep your blush over your cheekbones or the apples of your cheeks. You can easily find the apples of your cheeks or your cheekbones by smiling. That part protrudes, and with the help of your fingers or like a brush that I'm using, you can easily touch it and feel it. It'll be pretty hard. Place the blush directly over your bone. It shouldn't be under, it shouldn't be above, it shouldn't be away. It should be right on the apples of your cheeks. And that'll help to raise the height of your cheekbone, giving a good balance to your entire face. If you haven't observed yet, I have a wider forehead, higher cheekbones, and my face tapers down into a narrow chin. So I have a heart-shaped face. With heart-shaped faces, because your chin is so sharp, your face can appear pointy. So we need to soften the edges so it looks more like an oval. Start by applying the blush to the outer corner of your cheekbones, starting by your ear and ending at a point below the outer corner of your eye. You can also add a touch of color by your temples just to balance out the width of your forehead with your chin. Next, we have the square faces. As the name suggests, your forehead, your cheekbones, and your chin pretty much have the same width. Now, because your cheekbones are almost the same width as your chin, to help balance and define them, apply your blush slightly below your cheekbone. Again, you can figure out where your cheekbone is by smiling, and you apply the blush directly below that. Some blush in the hairline will also help to soften the edges of your face. Next, with round faces, the length and the width of your face are pretty much the same. An important tip for round faces is try not to use pearlized or high reflective blushes, as these can reflect the light well and make a surface more rounder, which we want to obviously avoid. Now, because CRT's blush has a little bit of sheen to it, to demonstrate for round faces, I'm using a matte blush by Ofra in Chiclet, which I've also linked down below in the description box. With round faces, all you have to do is sweep your blush from your ear down to your cheekbone towards your mouth. And you can also add a little bit of blush to your chin to make it appear longer. So this combo gives your face more of an oval look. Oblong or rectangular faces are quite similar to square faces, wherein your forehead, cheeks, and jawline are pretty much the same width, but the difference is the face is longer and less wide. Apply the blush on the cheekbones just below the outer corners of your eyes and blend well. This will help to visually shorten your features, giving you a well-balanced look. And finally, we have the triangle face. If you have a triangle shaped face, your chin will be quite narrow and pointed, and your high cheekbones will be very prominent. And if you have a triangle face, your blush should be applied in a sideways V on the cheekbones. Blend up from your cheekbones to your temple and then extend the blush to the sides of your brows. So that'll help to balance the width of your forehead with the rest of your face. I hope you found this useful and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please thumbs up if you did. As you know, I have a heart-shaped face. Let me know what is yours. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I love you guys so much and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.